This is one of the best song in the Kannada film industry. This song name is Oora Kannu, Yara Kannu, ta-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na, 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 na-na-na-na-na. First time I was listening this song from a WhatsApp status to my one of my best friend. His name is Asif, and he is from Koppal district, Karnataka. This song I got it from his status when I met him during my Karnataka travel in the district called Koppal district, which is very close to Hampi, that is Hospet district, but not very close, but 2.5 hours journey. I traveled by train and reached this Koppal district. Such a beautiful place in Karnataka. So many hidden places, so many natural places are there. Though I have been brought up from Tamil Nadu, but I love this Karnataka state, Maharashtra state, Andhra, Uttarakhand, Gujarat. I traveled all these places, but Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, something special to me in terms of natural beauty and the language beauty. I have seen a movie called Mungar Malai without knowing the language. I had seen 3 times in the theater, in the Sampaki theater, which is very close to the Majestic bus stand in Bangalore, in the year 2008. Imagine 3 times I have seen without knowing the language. Just imagine the worth of the movie. Such a great acting by Ganesh ji, that Ganesh brother and the heroine. The music, the entire album song was fantastic, and still it is great feel. Such a beautiful composition. This song is done by Sudhir sir. Sudhir sir acting in this movie I have not experienced, but seeing the song, video song, I lost myself literally. The song, the singing, the voice, the video, and the situation, everything is fantastic, amazing song. It is not a love failure song. It is a kind of kind of some feel kind of a song for this particular composition, musical composition. This is about the some kind of, we'll say in Tamil Nadu, யார் கண்ணுக்கு பட்டது எனக்கு தெரியல, நம்ம லவ் இப்படி ஃபெயிலியர் ஆயிடுச்சு, நம்மளோட லவ் இப்படி அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்ட்டு. I don't know whose eyes left on us, the ghost eye or the town eye, like that the lyric translation is song Oora Kannu, Yara Kannu, the song name. Just go and see this song. Such a beautiful song. I assure you, if you are a music lover, definitely you will like this song. And my name is Sudhakravi, being human, and I'm currently pursuing and practicing music, Carnatic music especially. I'm just started learning Carnatic music, violin, keyboard, and flute. Just my music journey will continue on. I will keep posting all the videos related to old, current, and all the favorite BGMs, everything related to musical things, and travel also. Solo travel. I am a solo traveler also. So I travel all India. Some of the countries also I traveled, and I keep on moving my life journey with the grace of music and Mother Nature and God pilgrimages centers. In any religion, it may be a masjid, it may be a temple, it may be a mandir, it may be a church. Even then, I go to all the places, worship centers. I worship everything, because at the end, God is one. God is one. Love is one. Affection is one. This world has to be filled only with love and affection, nothing else. And it is there. Still, it will be there. However, the opponent and the opposite reaction may be. Let us be happy. Keep happy, keep smile. Thank you. And once again, thanks for subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking. Thank you. I hope this song original composition is totally, the lyric part and the composition is different, but slightly I tried my best. First time I'm listening to this song, so there might be definitely some kind of musical errors and notes errors, but still then, from the musical point of view, I just tried my best. I played in my own version. After listening to this song, I just replayed it, recreated it. So definitely mistakes will be there, Please forgive me, especially the Kannada friends. So don't mistake me. I will try to keep posting some good movie songs. If you have a good song suggestions, let me know in the comment section. My YouTube channel is not a commercial thing. It is just a pure kind of self satisfaction only. I'm just keep uploading and registering for my future references after 20 years or 40 years, at the age of 80, 90, 100. So I should have some memories in my life. So I'm just keep uploading my videos in the, I don't know whether that time YouTube will be there or not, my channel will be there or not, but still then I'm just with a hope, I'm just keep uploading. So thank you very much for the new subscribers, and please, I hope your encouragement in the terms of liking and sharing with your friends will make me more videos with a good presentation. Until then, I will make a simple presentation, because I should focus on some other I have to take some other musical notes also, instead of no keep time spending on the single composition alone. So I will just keep it without editing sometimes, and with editing with beautiful sceneries, backgrounds, everything. So up to this is the thing I want to convey. And my channel name is Sudhakar V, Being Human. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing with your friends, family, and everything. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Sudhakar V, Being Human. Be happy, be always happy. That's the only thing. Celebrate every moment of the life. I understand everyone's situation will not be in a happy mood, and not all the time as well. So try to be happy as much as possible if it is the happiness is very close to you. Thank you.